moves. I'm not really doing very much here, and I'm still cruising around 80 clicks. I'm not really used to 6S at all. It's got a very different profile than the 4S that I'm used to. Was a pretty solid hit. So this is what happened. The mount ripped off. One prop's pretty bent, other prop's lightly bent, and this third prop is just like not to be found anywhere. It exploded on impact. So that's pretty good.
What? I didn't break it. I was just testing its durability.
Boy, these arms are durable.
All right, let's just take this up for a little spin, see how things go. This is the SAF 7-inch that we did a build series on. Stuff's recording. Beeper goes. Here we are, let's take it for a flight. I'm not really used to the 6S power. Everything I fly is 4S, and so this has got a lot more snap to it than I'm used to, especially with the 7-inch props. Didn't actually realize that there was this little coulee around here, at least that's what we call them. I gotta think of some new moves other than just that flip over backwards one. It's this huge spaces like this that make flying a 7-inch kind of reasonable. Allows you to cover quite a bit more area.
Battery 15%.
Yeah, sounds about right. Actually, it was pretty nimble. Nice. Well, looks like we made that one. Let's unplug this and see where we're at. There we are.
Telemetry lost.
And probably